the next project, folks. The next project. Let's see, I can't break some tape open here. How screwdrivers works most of the time. They're useless. She's well packed. That's for sure. Smooth box out of the way. Lots of tape. Scissors. Crack her open limit. Gotta get close. No shortage of packing material. Oh, starting to show herself here now. And here we have it. Whew. Well, that was fun. That's a lot of packing material. Wicked. Well, I got the new project that'll be in the next series of videos. We have the awesome, the greatest CB radio as far as I'm concerned, and that would be the realistic TRC-458. Again, same board as the TRC-457, TRC-449, amongst others as well. These are great radios, and the these have the UPD-858 PLL chip. Great radios, to say the least. So this one was sent all the way from Corner Brook area, and a little message sent in with the package. It says either this TRC-458 has low output, and do a tune-up on it as well if you have the chance. More parts, go ahead. When the radio is done, I have two options: send the radio back. Either by sister or parcel. We'll see. Perhaps we can do it with your sister there, Byron. We'll see how that works out. So yeah, radio didn't take jig time to get across here to the east coast. Geez, I don't think it was no more than what, 2 or 3 days maximum. That is pretty damn quick. So let's have a little peek, shall we? A little peeky poo here, and see what we're dealing with. Let's have a little inspection of the realistic TRC-458. Alright folks, so this is the guts of the TRC-458, and the radio has been recapped before I got it here. So we're going to hope the capacitors are all correct here. Because troubleshooting capacitors can be a nuisance, especially if there's either one not in right. But I'm sure they're perfect, so I'm not even going to worry about them. So it appears that the 5 main transistors have been replaced in the radio. 1306 has been replaced, 1307 has been replaced, the one over here has been replaced, as well as the 2 back here has also been replaced. Are the proper substitutes? It's a question. D325, D325, and let's see this one, D325. F, I guess, for Fairchild, I would assume. And then we have these 2 critters. Not sure if I can. Yeah. Can't really make these out. Not sure where the transistors were purchased from. But we're going to power this radio up, and we're going to see how she's performing as is first. We're going to try it, and we'll see what her power output is, and whatnot, and we'll see how well she's working. Gotta fix what's going on there. Shield needs to be reset. Well, I had to reorder 2 SC 1306s, or I should say 1306 and 1307, which would be the NTE equivalent of NTE 235 and NTE 236. So I had to order those and see if we get some life into this 458. But it seems like that is the only issue. I'll get those ordered on Monday. I don't think they're open today. I might give them a call now and see. But those are located right there. Anyways, that's the 458. And we shall see you in the next video. Part 2.